Hello guys, welcome to our new channel and this is our first video. Today, we are diving into a topic that's always on everyone's mind, making money. Whether you are looking for a side hustle or a new income stream, we have got you covered. In this video, we are sharing 5 legitimate ways to make money that you might not have considered. Let's get started. 1. Freelancing and gig economy. Our first method is freelancing and tapping into the gig economy. With platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, you can offer your skills and services to clients around the world. From writing to design, programming, and more, there is a demand for various talents. Building a solid online presence, delivering quality work, and cultivating client relationships can lead to a steady income stream. 2. Niche blogging and affiliate marketing. Next up, we have niche blogging and affiliate marketing. If you are passionate about a specific topic, consider starting a blog. Share valuable content, build an audience, and monetize through affiliate marketing. By promoting products relevant to your niche, you can earn a commission for every sale generated through your unique affiliate links. 3. Real estate crowdfunding. Now, let's talk about real estate crowdfunding, a smart way to invest in property without the hefty upfront costs. Websites like Fundrise and Realty Mobile allow you to pool funds with other investors to invest in real estate projects. As the project generates returns, you can earn a portion of the profits, making real estate investment accessible to a broader range of people. 4. Online tutoring and consulting. Moving on to online tutoring and consulting, this is an excellent option if you are an expert in a particular field. Share your knowledge through platforms like Check Tutors or Clarity.fm, where you can offer tutoring sessions or provide professional advice for a fee. Your expertise can make a significant impact while adding to your income. 5. Print on demand and creative merchandise. Last but not least, we have print on demand and creative merchandise. If you are artistically inclined or have a knack for design, platforms like Printful and Redbubble allow you to create custom designs for products like apparel, mugs, and phone cases. When customers order items with your designs, you earn a portion of the sale, turning your creativity into cash. Conclusion. To sum it up, these 5 creative ways to make money can open up new opportunities for you to boost your income. From freelancing and affiliate marketing to real estate crowdfunding and online tutoring, there is something for everyone. Remember, success takes time and effort, so stay dedicated and keep learning along the way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up guys and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Have you tried any of these methods before? Or do you have other innovative money-making ideas? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay motivated and keep striving for your financial goals. Host, be sure to stay tuned for our next video, where we will be exploring another exciting topic. Take care and see you soon.